Let's do something fun with PowerPoint. People use PowerPoint for information screens in factories and offices with news, weather information, announcements, new employees, etc. Why not add a self-updating daily cartoon to your screens? To accomplish this, we use the plugin DataPoint. Use DataPoint to connect to a RSS feed for these Dilbert daily cartoons. Set the source URL and let DataPoint get the cartoons. Insert a normal temporary image and set this shape to host the daily cartoon. Ready it is! Set the slideshow to run as a kiosk presentation to run continuously and on full screen, and DataPoint will update the cartoon whenever a new cartoon is published. More can be achieved by DataPoint. Explore the free trial today.